Once upon a time, there was a fluffy cloud named Coco who wanted to rain. But when Coco tried to rain, she only sneezed out glitter. So all the flowers below her wilted and died. And the only thing that grew were these two little trees. But then some kids started dancing in the glitter showers. And as they danced, they twirled and twirled until they looked like this. And soon birds and bees and butterflies joined in on the fun. Coco had never seen anything like it. She had meant to rain, but instead she had created the first ever sky party. And as she flew around making it snow, she realized that sometimes the best parties are the ones you don't plan.